Samsung has finally responded to the fans with the Galaxy S23 series, since there will be no more actioners, which means no more bad performance. Only the highest level Qualcomm Snapdragon CPUs are available in Samsung phones. For the second time, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will power Galaxy S23 versions worldwide. The chief financial officer of Qualcomm highlighted some of the most critical aspects that would make so many European Samsung fans happy who have been disappointed so many times by the Exynos chipset, and now have the absolute finest. According to Qualcomm, the 75% share of chipset in the Galaxy S22 series has now been shifted to a worldwide share with the S23 series. This implies that Qualcomm processors will be used in all variants of the Galaxy S23 series worldwide, and the wait is finally over, despite the terrible performance. Some people are still anticipating the Exynos 2300 over the Snapdragon chipset, but we can now anticipate top-tier performance on all Galaxy S23 versions. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is already looking superior than the Apple A16, since it offers the best GPU performance of any phone. That is, it will offer the finest gaming performance we have ever seen. It has even greater jump than CPU performance, which cannot match with the Apple A16, but it is a significant advance from the previous version, coupled with the processor. As we all know, Apple is the king of the greatest battery performance in the smartphone industry, but Samsung is not far behind. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S23 series may contain a whole new light tweak meant to conserve the device's battery life. This new function will ensure that you receive the greatest battery life possible without compromising anything. This implies it will have no effect on the refresh rate or the phone's overall performance. It simply optimizes the CPU speed while you are just using social networking applications on your phone, giving you the best performance while maximizing battery life. The phone restricts the screen refreshes to just 60 Hz in the usual battery conservation mode and eliminates background applications and other features, although the light mode does not. It does not restrict the phone's background processes, but it does lower the clock speed of the chipset by a few hundred megahertz while keeping the I/O function intact. Samsung has finally discovered a clever technique to save battery life since it does not sacrifice substantial performance while maintaining great efficiency, which leads to longer battery life. We have some rumors from South Korea about next year's Galaxy Unpacked event. According to the support, the unpacking event will take place in the first week of February, where Samsung will announce the next Galaxy S23 series, with a release date of February 17, 2023. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe. Peace out.